Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Jamie Anita. I'm currently preparing for NEET PG or NEXT. This is my study routine. Let's get started. Guys, good morning. It's 5:50 a.m. right now. I woke up at 5:30 a.m. and got quickly refreshed up. I'm just gonna head towards the kitchen and make myself a cup of coffee. Let's get started. I went to the kitchen and made myself a nice hot cup of coffee to kickstart my day. The coffee that I'm making right now is called filter coffee. It's very famous at my place. As I came back to my room, I just watched the scenery for quite some time. As I enjoyed my cup of coffee, I wrote down the to-do list for the day. During the first hour, I sat down and watched the lectures of nerve muscle physiology. It was very interesting and fun because of Dr. Krishna Kumar from Marrow. He made it very fascinating. Guys, I'm done with studying for 50 minutes. I'm just taking a small break. I came to my terrace to just walk around. The break is over. You know, it's never enough, but it's okay. It's 7:10 right now. I'm going to start with dermatology. So I just sat down and watched all the lectures of dermatology. I did Buller's disorders today. I had already done dermatology for FMGE, so it was just like a revision for me. I learned all the new things. So after studying for quite some time, I decided to take a small break and went downstairs. So meet our pets, Rex, and here comes Ilan. I played with them for quite some time to relax myself. Say hi to these cute little rabbits. My brother is very fond of pets. He just got them yesterday. They are getting adjusted to the environment. I started playing with them and forgot it got late, so I just quickly went back to my room. I'm very hungry right now, so I'm just gonna head towards the kitchen and get something to eat for myself. See you. I made some roasted makhanas with pepper and salt, and I sat down for studying again. I continued watching Derma lectures and I revised my notes along with it. As you can see, I keep taking sips of water in between. It's very important to keep ourselves hydrated. Next time when you sit for studying, please don't forget to have a water bottle with you and keep yourself hydrated. Done with my morning study session of 3 hours. I did right now it's 9:30 a.m. I did dermatology and physiology both. I completed few topics from both. I also solved few questions at the end to test myself. Both went well. Now I'm just gonna take bath and have my breakfast and spend some time with my family. Here is my traditional Tamil breakfast. Green dosa that you see is called Mudakethan dosa. It has got some really amazing health benefits. I had it with some coconut chutney and red rice puttu. It was yum. Hi again. It's 11:55 a.m. right now. I'm planning to continue dermatology in the first hour and then do physiology. And if I have time, I'm also going to do a few obsgyne patients. Let's see how it goes. The church bell rang sharply at 12 p.m. It's time for us to get back to studying. I continued taking notes and I started revising them. I also started solving questions at the end. I got hungry again, so I went back to the kitchen and found some apples and mangoes. I started studying again. I watched the lectures. It was really hard for me to concentrate. I'm sure everybody would have experienced it. Yes, it's afternoon session, and that is the most difficult part of the day to concentrate on our studying. Guys, a secret, I'm keeping it real. I've fallen asleep many times during my FMG preparation during this afternoon session. It's really hard. Not today because I was shooting the video. And also, I would like to give you a tip on how to stay awake during the afternoon session. Take a walk around, or just try active learning. Try to solve questions, or just look at the images and try to recall everything. That will give you a break from the monotonous studying. Alright, getting back to my study, I ended up doing PSM images because I was very sleepy. After completing studying, I decided to go to the ophthalmologist for an eye checkup. Meet my sister, a big hi from us to you. This is the clinic which I usually visit. We finally reached it. We waited inside for some time to find out that my ophthalmologist was not there. So we went to another clinic which was nearby and got myself tested. Good man. சும்மா கொஞ்ச நேரம். Hi, it's 6 p.m. right now. I'm going to study here. I have my notes with me. Meanwhile, you can enjoy the sunset. Have a nice time. I revised all my notes. We have 2 more hours to go. I'm planning to take physiology notes, and then I'm also planning to do some MCQs at the end. Let's see how it goes. Physiology was one of those subjects I was always afraid of because it involved a lot of understanding. But guess what? I started liking physiology as I studied more and more. 10 p.m. right now. And we had some guests at our home, so I was not able to study the last hour. I'm starting right now, and I'm going to look at the Q&A sessions. Let's get started. This is the most important part of the day because I get to test myself and learn from my mistakes. So please pay more attention to the last part of the day and solve as many MCQs as possible. So guys, we are done studying. I feel so happy and satisfied. It was so tiring at the last moment, the last hour, but I somehow pulled it off. I'm just going to relax for some time now and have a good night's sleep. See you all soon. Bye. I hope you found some motivation from my daily routine. Thank you for watching. Also guys, there are a lot more videos coming up, so please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.